I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up TradingView for ICT. First, ensure you have a TradingView account and are logged in. Once you are on the main chart page, your initial step is to choose a dark theme. This provides a clean, professional look and helps reduce eye fatigue during long analysis sessions. A dark background makes price action stand out more clearly, which is crucial for identifying key market structures. Next, let's add some essential tools. Search for and add a sessions indicator to clearly delineate the Asian, London, and New York trading hours. This helps in understanding market behavior during specific times. Also, become familiar with the Fibonacci retracement tool, which is vital for measuring price swings and predicting potential turning points. The rectangle drawing tool is perfect for highlighting areas of interest, such as order blocks or liquidity pools. Now let's customize your chart's appearance. Set up your preferred timeframes, typically including 1 minute, 5 minute, and 15 minute for entries, alongside 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily charts for overall market structure. Ensure your candles are clearly visible, perhaps in white and black or green and red. Remove any default indicators that clutter your screen, aiming for a minimalist setup that emphasizes raw price action and volume. Finally, save your hard work. Once your chart is perfectly configured, save it as a template. This allows you to apply your custom ICT setup to any new chart with just one click, saving you valuable time. Remember, consistent practice is key. Spend at least 30 minutes daily analyzing charts, marking up liquidity, and identifying fair value gaps. Continuously refine your setup as you gain more experience and understanding of market dynamics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.